Hello, I just completed the Expand Your Facilitation Toolkit training this morning, which is a 4-week, 30-day program that I'm running with people around the world. We had people from America and from Japan today on the course. And today we talked in particular about what it means to be a facilitator, how to create connections and how to hold space as a facilitator. Holding space is a concept where you push your energy out as a facilitator to really hold the whole room and hold the people within the room. It's an energetic process. And today's one of the participants took away as a learning that the little subtle interventions as a facilitator can really change the atmosphere in the entire room. And he really loved the experiential learning aspect of the training. So we did 2 processes today. One was developing the skill of being with. So there's like almost like a meditation with another person, a presencing with the other person, where you practice that muscle of being with another person in a situation. The other skill that I like to share is listening through filters in order to shift situations. So as a facilitator, we could use filters like commitment, concerns, opportunities. And what I also really like is the filter of magnificence. I used that as a facilitator, particularly when I was with people that I had a real trigger with. Like sometimes we get triggered by people, right? And it has nothing to do with them and more to do with us. But in order to be able to still listen to that person, I was listening through the filter of magnificence. I was looking for their specific contribution as a human being. When you have conflict situation, you can get really stuck in the filter, oh, I'm wrong and this is wrong, and the filters of fear. But when you listen through filters like commitment or concerns, you can really hear that other person and share with them, I'm here, you're really committed to this group. I hear you are concerned about these things, and I love to hear about other people as well. It helps to diffuse the conflict energy a little bit and helps the person to be heard. So using filters in facilitation is very powerful when you are listening. So this was module 2 of our Expand the Facilitation Toolkit course. We have 2 more to go. If you're interested to find more out about this course, I'm running it online. It's a 30-day program. You can just comment in the section below, say I'd like to find out more, and I see you in the next video.